You're crowding me. I need to concentrate. Let me take it. Can I try? Stop talking. I got this.
What the? Wow! I suddenly feel inspired. Hey, check it out. Does anyone need a ride? I got you covered. Did I mention it's custom? Or mobile, baby? Hey, let's go.
I call shotgun!
Awesome!
Hey!
Buckle up, folks. I drive fast.
Ugh. Nope, I don't think so. Hey! You think you're so cool? I'll show you. Where did they go? Whoa!
Nice.
What are you doing here? And what am I supposed to do with this? Weird. Wait, no fair.
Seems fair to me. I've never seen sparkle like that before.
No, stop that!
Jeez, what's wrong?
Hello, a little help here, please? Hand it over.
Okay. Here.
That's better. And inside? Aw, good as gold. Isn't this fantastic? Just watch this. Aw, big stretch. And the neck? There it is! Wow! What a cutie! So bendy, see?
Awesome! I hope I got that too! Oh. That's anticlimactic. Unless… Wait a second here. Those rivets let him bend. I get it! If I follow that same pattern, maybe I can create the same mechanism. It's all about the folding, people. Are you watching closely? 'Cause this is some tricky stuff. There it is! See where I'm going with this? Yay! Wait. Time to go for a ride.
What a long neck you have!
Aim and fire! Ha!
Hey!
Gotcha!
Stop that!
Nope. Take that!
Ugh. Nice aim, I guess.
Yes! I'm just getting started.
Ew, no way.
Wow, what's in this thing?
I don't think so. Me first.
Okay, fine.
Good. Gift, reveal yourself. Ugh, what do I do with this?
Whoa, a puzzle?
Yeah, so? It just means more work. And I hate work. It's so exhausting. Must keep going. Ugh, I'm so dizzy. Just get in there, okay? Wait! It's done! I finished! Look! Well, almost. Who took the last piece?
Don't look at me.
I can't believe I have to do this!
You do?
When was your last shampoo sesh?
Hey, friend.
Ah! Oh, that was disgusting! Okay. It's gotta be under here. With the gum. Ugh. Oh! Found it! Jeez! That was not enjoyable. Oh no!
Strawberry.
Phew. You're gross, bro. At least I found my last piece. So cute. I'm smart.
Wow, let me get a closer look.
No! Don't touch it! Hey! Oh, my hard work. This is the worst day of my life.
Oh, my bad.
Leave me alone.
Guess I'll open mine then. A piece of cardboard? I can work with this. Lucky for me, I'm a cardboard expert. I know what to make. Say cheese! Oh yeah! Wait till she sees this. Gotta love a candid. It really captures a person's essence, doesn't it? Oh, one more thing. Wait for it. Here. It's for you.
What? A present? Let's see. Another puzzle, huh? Hold on, I'm getting something. There! I just need the last piece.
Oh, here.
Perfect. Wait, this is awful! I wasn't camera ready! That was cruel!
Please let me go first.
Whatever, fine.
Here we go. Huh? Hey, he's kinda cute. Look!
How charming. And for me? No way! Look at her! Aw, Bubbles!
Bubbles? My cat can't do that! Look at it go! Aw, 2D is so limiting. Or is it? There! Step 1 complete. Still 2D, but we're getting somewhere. I don't have bubbles, but I do have balloons. Ready? Look! I did it! It's just like yours, see? Made by yours truly. Cool, right?
I guess.
You guess? Oh, it's on.
You sure about that? Keep your eye on the clock. 1.
2, 3, go!
Come on, faster!
Work, work! Oh boy! It's gonna blow! Ah! Oh no! That's not good.
Oh well.
Thanks for your support.
You and your ideas.
It's go time! Toilet paper? Is this a joke?
It's pretty funny to me.
Don't laugh at me.
Sorry. Okay, my turn. Are these returnable? How many are there anyway? Jeez, they go on forever. Just a peanut? We'll see about that. You again?
What?
Sorry, jeez. Right back where I started. But with this. Did you see that? What happened to you? Alright, gimme. Just a few squares, okay?
A few? Actually, thanks.
Look at my new friend.
Aw, he's so cute! I want one. So that's what I'll do. Handmade is always the way to go. Ta-da! A stump! Hope this'll fit. And the final touch. The cutest face that you ever did see. Am I right? Oh yeah, hello! Now I have a little friend too. Hey, say hi!
They can be buddies!
Nice to meet ya!
It's not working.
Speak for yourself. I'm so winning this thing.
Aw, man! Can't win them all. Ooh. Look, a rubber ducky. Quack, quack.
Huh? Hey, can I have the other one?
It's all yours.
Really? I can have it? Oh, it's spectacular! And stretchy! Wow, it's incredible!
Wait a sec. I can stretch mine too. Come on, stretch!
What's wrong? Looks like a you problem.
Okay, can I have it back now?
Back? No.
That's enough. I'm taking what's mine then. Nothing to see here. Or is there? Sprinkles, huh? Let's get this party started. That's more like it. In you go. Look, it's raining boba. But I'm not done yet. Just wait till you see this. Yep, fill her up. Cool. Now stay in there, okay? Only one thing left to do. Squeeze! So satisfying. See?
What? That's sick! Oh, can I play with it?
It's all mine, baby. What's up next? A whole lot of nothing? This is not okay. But don't worry, help is on the way. Gotta love technology.
Huh? Whoa! What on earth is that? Dad, please don't hurt me! Oh, man!
Where is it? Oh! Who turned off the lights? Can anybody hear me? Cody?
No!
Okay, what is on my head? Can you see anything up there? Well? Huh, looks like I got a gift.
Wow, what is that thing?
Pretty nice, right? I feel no stress. So relaxing.
I gotta have one of those. Maybe I already do. Or not. Hey, mind if I borrow these? I'm sure you won't even notice. I need this more than you anyway. Alrighty, it's just perfect. Step 1, done. And now… Achoo! Yikes. Actually, I'll take it. goo is good for me. It's exactly what I need. She's gonna be so jealous. Just one more step. Whoa! My own stress ball. I did it! Wow, I feel so much better. Ooh, take that, stress!
Ooh, what's that? It looks so familiar. Did he make that himself? But how? What did he… Ah! That's why you look so familiar! You're gonna pay for this!
Huh? Hey! I feel so exposed.
That was weird.